Michelle's going to show us this nifty tool that she's got to pick up screws. What's it called?
It's an anvil magnet. It costs about $30.
Michelle's yard looks like during the day. They're working on it today. Getting that drain line dug. And that's Michael. He's the equipment guy. The old door Michelle was talking about she found after she took the metal siding off. Don't know how old it is. But the siding was on it. That's where her dryer vent is. What you doing barefooted out here, girl? It's a war zone. Huh? It's an obstacle course.
Where's the last place we had those?
Probably about 2 years ago.
What you doing, Michelle? You working today?
Yeah, waiting for some stuff to be up so I can do some siding.
You gonna put some
I
siding
cut a
up?
board.
Huh?
I cut a board.
You cut a board?
That little bitty board you put on the end down there by the bird box, I cut it.
Where's the bird?
The gray box on the end there.
Okay. So you cut it?
Yeah, it's just a 8.5 inch board.
You cut some boards for Daddy the other night,
I did.
didn't you?
I did.
How did she do on cutting your boards, Papa? How did she do cutting your boards the other night?
Did great.
Did great.
Trying to learn.
Got my secret door.
Hi,
Yeah,
Anna.
there it is.
The mulch pile's about gone since we've been here. But the gravel pile's grown. I say it's for the drain field. I have to re-sow more grass for the umpteenth time. What are you doing today?
Helping nail things.
Oh, you're helping nail things?
Yeah.
Well, maybe holler at me when you get started, okay?
Well, we haven't got started.
Well, when
Yes.
you do. I was wondering why you had your work gloves on. That's because you've been helping out here, hadn't
Yeah. Mama bought me some, so.
you? You needed them, didn't you?
Yeah. Still need glasses.
Huh?
Still need glasses.
Oh, the safety glasses? Yeah, you do.
And then, yeah, we're working, like, over there. Putting the siding on today.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah.
That'd be fun, won't
It
it?
won't be all of it.
Not all, it takes a long time
It
to,
takes 2 days.
yeah,
2 days exactly.
for one side.
For one side.
For one side. Because you got the other side done.
In 2 days.
Oh, okay.
And on Friday, I'm pretty sure. No, Saturday and Sunday.
Oh, okay.
We started it like Saturday, then they finished.
Last week, yes. Now it's Saturday again.
And now we're doing this one.
Yeah.
We've got like, they're taking down the board, rotten board.
Uh-huh.
That's, don't know if it's gonna last. And she found a mysterious door.
I seen that mysterious door. I took a little video of it.
But we don't really know why it's there.
They didn't take it out.
Our houses.
I
They
think at
didn't
one
build it
time
correctly.
it was a totally block house is what I'm assuming. At
Well,
one
they
time.
said the mommy and daddy said it was the house was junk.
It was junk. They're getting it fixed up though, aren't they?
Yeah, they have to get it fixed stuff.
Yeah,
Or we won't have a house.
that's it.
Because if we don't have a house, then where are we going to live?
In the camper,
What if we didn't have a camper?
on the ground, in a tent.
But what we don't have?
I'll put you up on my farm.
No, not fun.
I'll let you sleep with the goats.
No, poopy goats.
Poopy goats. They are, aren't they?
Right here.
She's showing us her tool belt.
Right here, so like it fits down into there. Then I have some tools like my tape measure.
Uh-huh.
I have a pencil.
Uh-huh.
Never know when this comes handy.
That's right.
I have a light.
Right.
Never know when that comes handy.
Right.
A screwdriver, flathead.
Oh, you
laptop.
do, don't you?
Never know when that's handy either.
No.
This is always handy.
It's a nail puller, isn't it?
No,
What is it?
the crowbar.
Oh, it's called a crowbar.
Mini.
But you can get nails out with it, can't you?
Yeah, no.
No.
Hammer, my trusty hammer.
Ah, your trusted hammer.
Trusty.
Okay.
Trusty, very trusty.
She's
Okay.
going through a toolbox that has fasteners and
Paper clip.
picture hangers and nails
Paper
and
clip.
paper clips. Her mommy says she's had it for years and she's passing it down to Sadie. And Adeline. Anna.
Anna.
Adeline will get me for calling you Adeline. She's passing it down to her oldest daughter. So she's picking out what she wants.
Hey, no, Anna.
Well,
Anna's
oldest
the oldest
oldest
one.
biological. Sadie said this is at least one of 4 bird nests they found when they were tearing things out. Right?
Well, yeah. There's at least been 5.
You think 5?
I don't think these would be handy on their trip. They're
No.
kind of using screws and nails.
You're taking screws and nails out. You're not using them right now, are you?
Yeah, we're still using them.
I love these little yellow wildflowers. And these little purple ones.
I got some.
I ought to take some of them home. I'm not sure I see them in our yard.
What you talking about, Will?
They'll go toward my game plan. You know what, Michelle?
What's that?
I may dig up a couple of your yellow wildflowers before I leave.
There's lots of buttercups in the front yard.
You don't mind, do you?
I don't care.
Because I don't think we've got any in our yard. See?
Walking back here, though, you're liable to step in dog dirt.
Okay. There's some buttercups right there.
Plus, we got this mess in our backyard.
Well, where are the buttercups at? I see them, but I think the sun, yeah.
What is it?
Right there.
You asking me?
Asking your daddy.
I'm gonna say, yeah, I got it. I've been toting this thing around the house for weeks.
I love my ladders like that.
Same.
They're sturdy, aren't they?
Yeah, they're pretty good. It helped me yesterday on the front part of the house.
Yeah, I use them. Well, lately Daddy's been the one using them, so I have to hunt for them. I've got 2 at least.
Yeah, we got a smaller ladder that goes into our attic, and I can climb up it too real
Oh,
easy.
okay. Well, you be careful. This is what I don't like watching.
I'm just doing what I can do while we wait.
Right.
All these nails needed to be beat in.
Right. Get your aggression out.
That's presents.
You got a hammer for your birthday?
Yeah, I got a cordless screwdriver too.
Wow. You have to show that to me later.
I will.
Hey, we're in for practical birthdays and Christmases,
We are
aren't
now.
we?
We are now.
Makes us happy, don't it?
Yeah, I'm easy to please. Yeah. I got most of the lower ones, so you gotta take everything on the back side.
Back up. I know you put them in though.
What are you supposed to say?
Thank you.
Anna's sharing a cookie with me. Aren't you, Anna? Was that good? Yeah, I'm supposed to be home 4 days on the road now. But Michelle wanted her daddy here. Moral support. And how can you say no? Then she calls me and says, Mommy, are you coming? She didn't know I planned on coming because she knows I'm so far behind on everything at home. But guess what? That can wait. This is more important. Adeline must be supervising. She's sitting on the ladder. Means a lot to her. Her daddy's here today. More for his socialization than the work. Wow.
You ain't even that high. Really, look. Jump.
No, I can't. I can't.
Okay, now come down.
Yeah.
And this is where your feet were.
Yeah.
Come on down.
Oh, Adeline's up there
Look how
too.
tall it really
They're not
was when you're
scared.
up there. You're like,
I see that.
They are not scared.
See, that's what I was trying to get Josh to understand.
Look at that. Adeline's at the top.
I told you.
Sadie's been climbing ladders since she was out.
It's the
3.
illusion of being high.
Yeah.
I know.
Really?
Then we're going to need the 10-inch Microsoft over there. And stuff.
I did it, Daddy. Look.
I know it.
My favorite. If I sit right here, this is my favorite spot. The best seat in the house. No, it ain't.
That was quick. Getting out the motor saw. I told him I'd close the door.
Oh, they got falls. They don't have to. Okay. I got it.
Keep your feet on that.
Yeah.
I hear that. Are you growing grass in a cup? Was that a school project or a home project?
A school project.
She's trimming her grass. And what have you got?
My kid.
You got J.
Jason.
Yeah, you got JJ. He's letting you do that. Let me see.
No.
Let me see his face.
No.
But she's trimming grass in the house.
I can. That's what we do at school.
Is that what you do at school?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
If you make a mess.
So you're gardening, right?
You don't really care. Look, you just got it.
Good.
This is how you. This is when you float away.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Boy, your way up there, youngin'.
Told you I was right outside this window. We gotta take them down because one.
You don't get it from me, I know that.
I don't get it from my daddy either.
Nope, don't get it from your daddy either.
But he's got it up here too.
All the way?
Not this high.
And go figure, he helps build mobile homes.
I'm learning. The soffit that I'm taking down. No, it's plastic. Where'd you find that? Oh, that's Daddy's. Hey, she found your eraser to your pencil on the ground.
Nice.
Where? Here's the daddy.
Oh, his pencil's
4 minutes left, Mama.
what?
4 minutes left.
Okay.
4 minutes. Oh, for the pizza.
To feed my boys.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Are you taking those down?
Yeah.
What happened?
That one down there fell and you gotta take them all down to fix it.
Ah, that's not good.
It happens.
Michelle's going to show us this nifty tool that she's got to pick up screws. What's it called?
It's an anvil magnet. It costs about $13 at Home Depot.
$13 at Home Depot, and she dropped a bunch of some screws taken off the sides.
I see one right over there, and I see two.
Okay, you gonna
You
show us
want me to
how it
click?
works?
You
I'm
ready?
gonna get a close up. Getting a close up.
Tell me when.
You can anytime.
Listen. Cheer it.
I heard it. I don't know if they did, but I heard it. Yeah.
take those back, thank you.
Did you say Nick had another one he said was even better?
Yeah, they got one on wheels.
And you told him bring it home?
They can't. It's
They-
not theirs.
Oh, it's not there?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's the customers. It's the homeowner.
But you're happy with this?
I even found the teeny tiny little screw.
Yeah. Wow.
This one works just fine for me.
Okay.
I just use it at home, try to make sure we ain't flattening anybody's tires, hurting anybody's paws, feet,
Oh, no.
hands.
Home
Any of
Depot.
They also have one on wheels at Home Depot that's $28. They
28
didn't
for...
have that one that day I was there.
Oh, $28 for one on wheels.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you,
But
honey.
the one that the boys have is $50.
Oh, more expensive.
It's more
Even
expensive.
it'll
Oh,
even pick up rusty nails. Y'all probably didn't have that one. It probably was already there.
No, it might have come out from somewhere.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
But she's getting a whole pocket full.
Me and Daddy dropped some nails.
That's pretty neat, honey.
I don't know where this
For
one
that
came from.
price, you can't beat it.
There's a big one over there on the ground. I'm about to go look for it.
We needed those back in the day.
Yeah.
Probably still do. There's probably plenty laying
That's what the
around.
bottom looks like.
Yeah.
Oh.
Reminds me of a Swiffer bottom.
You can tighten it up or something.
Okay. Daddy to the rescue.
We gotta unscrew it. Daddy, we gotta unscrew it. Yeah, we gotta unscrew it.
She's got the screwdriver. The drill. She's got the magnet.
I found it.
You found it
I found two.
without the magnet.
Without it, yeah.
I see that. She said that was one of her most important tools is her pencil.
It's already been broke.
She's already told me that.
Do the best you can, I guess.
Have Daddy sharpening it for you.
With a knife.
Well, good.
With a butt.
What are you doing, Missy?
Big hammer.
You got a big
So
hammer.
we're about to go like cut this, and then I'm gonna go get my. Never mind, Daddy's
Daddy
using
gave
my
up,
hammer.
so I'll go up there.
Huh?
Never mind, Daddy's using my hammer.
He's using your hammer. Maybe Adeline will let you borrow her big hammer. Won't you, Adeline?
I'll use mine.
Okay.
No, it's in my.
I'll come back when you start hammering.
Should be invented.
Look here, Mommy.
Good job,
I did that.
Sadie.
Boy, that's a great job. She's practicing.
Leg on our table. It's okay.
What?
That's one leg of your table.
Yeah, one leg.
That's what I was trying to make. How do you know?
Because it looks like a table. Put the board under it when you're hammering. It makes it solid. There's 3 nails on the ground. 3. I just never was an upside down nail gun.
Neither am I.
Either one, I've
I'll
never
get that side.